guys, happy Friday. So it's another Vlogmas, and today we're gonna go drive to post office first, and I'm gonna get something that I won from giveaway from Flo In The City. Thank you, Flo In The City, for picking me. She actually have a giveaway last month, and yeah, then I'm going to post office and see if it's ready to pick up now. It was delivered last Wednesday, but I wasn't home. I was at work. So yeah, and then we're going to outlet. We're just driving around. If it's too many people, and then we're just going back home. Actually, it's really foggy today, guys. Hi guys, so we're back. You can see in the background it's dark outside. It's actually just 6 o'clock, 6:30, but it feels like 8 o'clock, and it's really foggy and rainy outside. So let's do unbox this package, because I won a giveaway of Flo In The City, and I just received today, and I mentioned on my blog that I will going to pick up this. So there she is. I was actually had a note from Royal Post Office that I have an item to collect. So what I did, I just do a redelivery and pick up in a shop instead of a deliver again, because I am working, guys, and maybe I miss again. So it's better to pick up in a shop or in store. So let's open this. Thank you, Flo In The City. Guys, if you haven't subscribed Flo In The City, I will leave her name on description below. So check her out, guys. She's have amazing content as well. So please check her account. Sorry guys, we just got home today and I want to make sure that I just want to make this unboxing. Yay! I want to give away. I'm really excited when she when I'm watching it, and then she pick up a on the raffle draw, and I saw my name. It's number 14. She told me in a way that when I joined the giveaway, and she told me my number. So when she said 14, I said, oh my god, that was me. So this is I won a Ana Luisa jewelry. So, and she gave me a note as well. Thank you, Flo. Oh, it's a Christmas card. Thank you for your support through my YouTube journey. Here's wishing you and your family a wonderful Christmas and wonderful time. Thank you, Flo. It's really, really nice of you. I will put in here, guys. I always put everything in here. It's like the Dior and Hermes send me a Christmas card. So I'll just leave this one over here. There you go. This is the item. Look at the pouch. It's so gorgeous. This is my first Ana Luisa jewelry piece. I will check in the website, guys. Oh my god, I really love it. And it's hard, and they have this is what I look at, guys. Look, I love it. I think this is a pearl. Oh my god, thank you, Flo. I guess this is the sign that I need to wear a necklace, because I mentioned on my that online shopping that I will try to wear again a necklace. And this one, it's so cute. And this is good for layering. And look at this, guys. They have adjustable as well. You can make it shorter and then make it longer. And I love that they put their name in it, Ana Luisa. I don't know if you can see, guys. It's just right there, Ana Luisa. It's so cute. Let me wear it right now. Sure, guys, I'm just trying to put this in. Let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at that. It's gorgeous. Look at that. It's so nice. And it's also a heart. I really love it. Thank you, guys. It's so cute and dancey. Well, thank you again, Flo In The City, for picking me on your giveaway. And thank you again so much, guys, for watching. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.